It's Pidgey time, so go grab your hooks and let's get started. We're going to begin in our background colour. To make a Pokemon square, you're going to need a 3.5mm hook, a pair of scissors and a needle. You can also use stitch markers, but those are optional. You will also need 8-ply yarn in various colours. For the specific colours used in this square, please see either the pinned comment or the description. We're going to begin in our background colour, create a slip knot and then chain 41. Row 1 is just 40 single crochet back down the chain. Rows 2 through to 12 are each chain 1, turn your work and 40 single crochet in the background colour. Row 13 is chain 1, turn your work, then 19 single crochet in the background colour, 2 single crochet in black and then 19 single crochet in the background colour to finish. Row 14, chain 1, turn your work, start with 18 single crochet, then 2 in black, 1 in white, 1 in black and 18 single crochet in the background colour. Row 15, chain 1, turn your work, start with 17 single crochet, then 1 in black, 1 in pink 2, 2 in grey 2, 1 in brown 1, 2 in black and 16 single crochet in the background colour to finish. Row 16, chain 1, turn your work, start with 14 single crochet, then 2 in black, 1 in brown 1, 1 in brown 2, 1 in brown 1, 1 in brown 2, 1 in brown 1, 2 in grey 2, 2 in black and then finally 15 single crochet in the background colour. Row 17, chain, turn, do 14 single crochet, then 1 in black, 3 in brown 3, 2 in grey 2, 2 in cream, 1 in brown 1, 1 in grey 2, 2 in pink 2, 2 in black and 12 single crochet in the background colour. Row 18, chain, turn, start with 11 single crochet, then 1 in black, 1 in pink 1, 1 in pink 2, 3 in grey 2, 3 in cream, 1 in grey 2, 2 in brown 2, 3 in brown 3, 1 in black and 12 single crochet in the background color to finish. At the end of row 18, we no longer need pink number 2. Row 19, chain, turn, start with 13 single crochet, then 1 in black, 1 in brown 2, 1 in brown 3, 3 in brown 2, 5 in grey 2, 4 in pink 1, 1 in black, and 11 single crochet in the background colour. Row 20, chain 1, turn your work, start with 12 single crochet, then 1 in black, 2 in pink 1, 1 in grey 2, 1 in black, 1 in white, 2 in grey 2, 4 in brown 2, 1 in cream, 2 in brown 1, 1 in black, and then 12 single crochet in the background colour. After row 20, we no longer need pink number 2. Row 21, chain, turn, start with 12 single crochet, followed by 1 in black, 1 in brown 1, 2 in cream, 4 in brown 2, 2 in grey 2, 1 in white, 1 in brown 1, 1 in cream, 1 in grey 2, 1 in black, and then 13 single crochet in the background colour. After row 21, we no longer need white. Row 22, chain, turn, start with 12 single crochet, then 1 in black, 1 in brown 1, 1 in brown 2, 1 in brown 3, 1 in cream, 2 in brown 1, 2 in grey 2, 3 in brown 2, 1 in grey 2, 1 in cream, 1 in black, and then finally 13 in the background colour. Row 23, chain, turn, do 12 single crochet, then 1 in black, 1 in brown 3, 5 in grey 2, 2 in brown 1, 2 in cream, 1 in brown 3, 1 in brown 2, 1 in brown 3, 1 in brown 1, 1 in black, and then finally 12 single crochet in the background colour. Row 24, chain 1, turn your work, start with 12 single crochet, then do 1 in black, 1 in cream, 1 in brown 3, 2 in brown 2, 1 in brown 3, 2 in cream, 2 in brown 1, 1 in grey 2, 1 in brown 3, 2 in grey 2, 2 in brown 3, 1 in black, and then 11 in the background colour to finish. After row 24, we no longer need brown number 1. Row 25, chain 1, turn your work, start with 11 single crochet, then we're doing 1 in black, 1 in brown 3, 1 in grey 2, 1 in brown 3, 1 in grey 2, 1 in brown 3, 2 in black, 2 in cream, 1 in brown 3, 2 in brown 2, 1 in brown 3, 1 in cream, 1 in black, and then finally 13 single crochet in the background colour. Row 26, chain, turn, do 13 single crochet, then 1 in black, 1 in cream, 1 in grey 2, 2 in brown 2, 1 in grey 2, 1 in black, 1 in cream, 1 in black, 1 in the background colour, 2 in black, 2 in brown 3, 2 in black, and then finally 11 single crochet in the background colour. After row 26, we no longer need either brown 3 or grey 2. Row 27, chain, turn, start with 12 single crochet, then 3 in black, 3 in the background colour, 2 in black, 1 in the background colour, 1 in black, 2 in brown 2, 1 in black, 1 in cream, 1 in black, and then finally 13 single crochet in the background colour. At the end of row 27, we no longer need cream. Row 28, chain, turn, start with 13 single crochet, followed by 2 in black, 1 in the background colour, 1 in black, 1 in brown 2, 1 in black, and then 21 single crochet in the background colour. And at this point, we no longer need brown number 2. Row 29 is our final colour change row. We're going to start by chaining, turning, and doing 22 single crochet, then 1 in black and 17 single crochet in the background colour to finish off. Rows 30 through to 40 are each chain 1, turn your work, and 40 single crochet in the background colour. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy your Pidgey square. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you next Friday with my new video.